This defendant claims all her tickets are a mistake and her license is valid. But the judge isn't convinced. A tense back and forth is about to begin.
Yes.
Ms. Lake, we're back on the record. Offer the city attorney availed to you is to plead to one count of failure to display a valid driver's license. That'll be a $240 fine. And the other count of improper plates, that'll be a $240 fine. They'll both be misdemeanors. However, the one misdemeanor, the failure to display, is going to automatically trigger a 30-day suspension. So you won't be able to get a driver's license for 30 days after this. You have a right to a trial, ma'am, so I can definitely give you that trial date. And I'll even allow you to pay the reinstatement fees like I billed Ms. Owens to pay, so you can go get a driver's license and you can come back in here on a...
She disputes the number of tickets, claiming they are all the same.
And the second is those tickets are the same tickets. Like you were saying that I had 6 tickets, but it was 3 tickets that he gave me. They're all the same ticket. I don't know why it's like that, but they're the same ticket. It's all from 11/2020. I haven't got any.
The judge decides to investigate her claim on the spot.
I didn't get tickets since then.
All right, let me see what you have. All right. So I have the 2 different tickets. So on one day, the set of 3 tickets was had on 11/20/2020, and then the second set of tickets was had on 1/12/2021. So January 12th, 2021 at around 12:13 p.m. in the area of East Outer Drive in Conley. They alleged that you got stopped for driving and didn't have registration and insurance on a, let's see what kind of car that they say it was.
It's a Ford Focus, and that's when the Warren police did.
A 2007 Chrysler.
No,
what's your
sir.
date?
I didn't have the 2007 Chrysler anymore. I had a 2007 Ford Focus, sir.
Listen to me, ma'am. I'm just trying to give you what they have said that you had. I didn't say. I'm not saying that what I'm reading is the truth. All I'm saying is
the judge patiently re-explains his offer to help her.
What do you want to do, ma'am?
I mean, I have registration and
you keep going over that. I'm giving you an opportunity here. I'm explaining one more time to you, and it's really a win-win situation. You can't really lose. I'm not trying to lead you down a blind path. If you just listen to me, I said I will allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front. You come up with $135 and pay, because you're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees anyway. If you got everything dismissed, you're gonna have to come out $135 anyway. So I will allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front. That will allow you to get clearances here at the 36th District Court. And if you don't have any tickets, if you haven't been running amok out in the other jurisdictions, then if you don't have the other tickets, then you can go to the 36th District Court and get yourself a driver's license. You come back in here on January 27th with that license and that old insurance that you said and that old registration and stuff, then you can make a case to say, listen, I got this, I got that, and what can you do for me? You may do the same as today, but you're not going to do any worse, but you may do better.
She insists her license is valid, flashing it at the camera.
I had just took my driver's training test and stuff, so would I have to start all over again?
She ain't never had a license before in her life.
I got a license. This is my license. This is my license.
Run a driver.
I have. But I just went, and that's what I'm saying. I just went in April because I had paid off all my tickets. I had been doing both for years. I got myself together, went and paid my tickets off, went and took my test, went and got my license back. They just expired my license on August the 30th. So that's why I'm trying to, from this is what suspended my license.
You should be able to get a license.
Is that on?
That's let me see this license too. Let me see.
The judge, having had enough, delivers the final verdict on her license.
We need my license. My license.
Okay, Mr. Owens, we find
like I say, that license, I can guarantee you this. That license is not worth the plastic it's printed on. I can guarantee you that right now.
because he had defaults, right?
I can guarantee you that.
Even
now.
after being exposed, she continues to argue her point.
I've never been in an accident where I hit anybody, sir.
You were involved in 3 accidents. You're just unlucky. All right, ma'am. 27th of January. Go get that driver's license and come back in here on that date, all right?
All right.
In court, the facts always win. Ms. Leggett learned that the hard way. The judge's patience ran out, and the truth came out in a truly unforgettable line.